Today, SquareTrade, a subsidiary of insurance company Allstate which provides protection plans for electronics, released the results of its iPhone XR screen test, which used scientific robots to drop and bend the device to see how the all-glass design of the cheapest version of the iPhone X series compares to its brethren. Face-down drop test. Like the iPhone XS and XS Max, the all-glass design of the iPhone XR shattered on the first drop. And like the 5.8-inch XS, the 6.1-inch XR screen malfunctioned, rendering it unusable. Back-down drop test. Again, just like the more expensive iPhones, the XR shattered on the first back-down drop, including loose glass around the camera. Bend test. The iPhone XR passed the bend test with flying colors. While the iPhone XS suffered cracked glass at 250 pounds of pressure, the XR bent at 260 pounds but didn't crack and continued to work fine, similar to the XS Max. The LCD screen in the iPhone XR has a similar level of durability as the OLED screen featured in the iPhone XS and XS Max, said Jason Siciliano, Vice President Global Creative Director at SquareTrade. The iPhone XR does cost less than the iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max, and it costs less to repair as well. However, at $199 for screen repairs, and $399 for other repairs, over half the price of the phone, it still isn't cheap to fix. That said, with the iPhone XR, you're getting a more affordable phone with about the same level of durability, and it costs less to repair. That's a good deal. The first good news, for iPhone XR buyers, is that the tests showed that Apple's more affordable phone has the same level of durability as the iPhone XS and XS Max when it comes to being dropped, while it outperformed the XS, which costs $250 more, under the pressure of the bend test. The other good news is that the XR is also cheaper to repair. The display replacement is $80 cheaper, $199 versus